0-5s, O placeholder. Product image close-up, O text. Balliston portable car vacuum cleaner, O voiceover. Introducing the Balliston portable car vacuum cleaner, compact, powerful, and built for a spotless car interior. 2. Scene 2 vacuum in action, 5-10s, O placeholder. Vacuum cleaning seats, dashboard, O text. High power 12 volts DC suction, O voiceover. Powered by a 12-volt DC motor, this high suction cleaner tackles dust, crumbs, and pet hair with ease. 3. Scene 3 long cord, 10-15s, O placeholder. Cord reaching all areas, O text. 16.4 feet extra long cord, O voiceover. The 16.4-foot cord gives you full reach across every corner of your car, no spot left behind. 4. Scene 4 accessories displayed, 15-20s, O placeholder. Accessory kit, crevice tool, dusting brush, bag, manual, O text. Includes all necessary accessories, O voiceover. Includes an accessory kit, crevice tool, dusting brush, user manual, and vacuum bag. Everything you need in one package. 5. Scene 5 LED light cleaning dark areas, 20-25s, O placeholder. Vacuum under seat with LED on, O text. Bright LED plus HEPA filter, O voiceover. The built-in LED light helps you clean dark areas effortlessly, while the HEPA filter keeps your air fresh and clean. 6. Scene 6 clean car plus logo, 25-30s, O placeholder. Final clean car